Imagine cruising down the road, the wind in your hair, the hum of electric power beneath you, and all eyes on your ride. That's exactly what the 2027 electric trike delivers, a jaw-dropping combination of futuristic tech, eco-friendly engineering, and bold design that turns every street into your personal runway. But this isn't just any electric ride, this is the ultimate trike revolution that's rewriting everything we thought we knew about personal travel. At first glance, the sleek, aggressive look catches your attention, sharp LED lighting, aerodynamic curves, and a low-slung body that screams speed and style. It doesn't look like a typical trike. It looks like something pulled straight from a sci-fi movie, except it's real, and it's here. Built with lightweight composite materials and an ultra-strong frame, this trike is both tough and incredibly efficient. Powering this beast is a next-gen electric motor that delivers instant torque and silent acceleration. It zips from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds, giving it sports car-level performance without burning a drop of fuel. The battery? A cutting-edge solid-state pack that offers up to 300 miles on a single charge. No noise. No emissions. Just pure, electrified adrenaline. But it's not all about speed. The 2027 electric trike is smart, ridiculously smart. It features a fully digital cockpit with AI-assisted navigation, voice commands, adaptive ride modes, and a surround-view camera system for next-level safety. You don't just ride this machine, it thinks with you, adapts to your driving style, and makes every ride smooth, safe, and exciting. And if you're thinking comfort might be sacrificed for all that power and tech, think again. The cabin is surprisingly roomy for a trike, ergonomic seating, shock-absorbing suspension, and even heated grips for those chilly morning rides. There's also under-seat storage and modular racks for all your travel needs. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or heading out for an epic weekend trip, this trike is ready for it all. But here's the real game changer, the price. It's shockingly affordable for what you get. This isn't some luxury toy for the ultra-rich. The 2027 electric trike is built for everyday riders, urban explorers, and weekend warriors alike. You get future-forward design, premium features, and emission-free performance, without breaking the bank. This is not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle shift. It's freedom without compromise, performance without pollution, and style that doesn't go unnoticed. The world is moving fast toward electric, and this trike proves that the future isn't coming, it's already here. So, the only question left is, are you ready to ride the future? Because the 2027 electric trike isn't waiting. It's already on the road. And once you ride it, there's no going back.